Hey so all, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 5 of our 21-day challenge. So in this video, I will give you a reality check. What are the day-to-day things that we follow in our life and what is the real fact behind it. So let's begin. So myth number 1 that we follow in our day-to-day life is that brushing the teeth makes it more clearer. So this is wrong. Actually, brushing the teeth makes your enamel weaken the outer covering of the tooth and pushes your gum behind. So you don't have to brush your teeth harder so as to make them clean. Rather than you have to brush your teeth twice a day with a proper technique using a circular motion, not using the to and fro motion. Next myth is that you only need to visit your dentist until and unless there is no pain, you shouldn't visit them. It's totally wrong. Whenever there is pain, then only you don't need to visit. You should get a regular checkup with your dentist, as the regular checkup can lead to the early detection and the less cost of your treatment. So the myth number 3 is that the baby teeth don't need any care as they will fall anyway. So it's totally wrong. If we care our milk teeth, then it will bring the permanent teeth will be more stronger and healthier. So you should always be careful that milk teeth are as important as the permanent teeth. The next fact is that the charcoal toothpaste is more effective as compared to the normal toothpaste. No, you should not use charcoal toothpaste as normally in your day-to-day life as compared to the normal toothpaste, as it is more dangerous as compared to more effective to you because it will damage your enamel. Next fact that we are going to discuss is that flossing is not necessary. Flossing is as necessary as the toothbrush because it helps to remove the interdental plaque that is present between the two teeth. What is interdental area? That is the area. Let me show you. Like this is our model. Between two teeth, like this and this, the area between the two is called the interdental area. So here the chances of food accumulation are high. So the floss helps to remove the accumulated food between the two areas which the toothbrush may not be able to remove. Okay. So the next point that we are going to discuss is that dental treatment is always painful. No. With the modernization and the proper anesthesia technique, the pain has been reduced to a certain extent. But it's always the fear within you that makes the pain worse. So it's not always that you will feel the pain. Apart from this, we are going to discuss that what is the next myth. People only think that mouthwash is as effective as toothbrush. No, mouthwash can act as a support system, but it is not the replacement